Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to create an animation of sheet metal bends folding using SOLIDWORKS motion study. And it is also not required to do any changes in our model to make this happen. Let's flatten the sheet metal model. I can emulate a bending by suppressing the bends under the flat pattern feature. But it is unfortunately impossible to set this as a keyframes of my animation in motion study. So as you can see, I do not see my bends in the feature tree, and if I suppress it, it does not record as a keyframe. Now let me show you how to create this animation in a matter of few clicks. We'll start by downloading the macro, which will create the configurations for each bend of sheet metal model. I can download the source code for this macro and many more other macros from the CodeStack website. I just need to copy the source code, create new macro in SOLIDWORKS, give it a name, and paste my source code in there. I now need to select my bends in the sequential order, and macro will create the configuration for each of these steps. As a result, the derived configurations will be created, and each of them represents a step in folding process. So when I activate them, you can see that my sheet metal model folds. And now I will get back to the website and download another macro, which will create an animation from the configurations. So I'm going to Goodies, scrolling down to Motion Study, and we'll copy the macro for Animate configurations. I will repeat the same steps to create a new macro in SOLIDWORKS and copy the source code in there. Now I just need to select the configurations in the order I want them to be animated. I will also modify a few parameters here. So I'm going to reduce the time between the steps, and I'm also going to reduce the time of transition of the bends. Just run the macro, it will create new assembly and will create the animations of folding of sheet metal. Let's now just play the animation to see how it works. Just click play button and you can see the animation shows each folding step. So of course you can just export this animation to video format now from SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for watching this video.